Question is, a fully loaded Boeing aircraft has a mass 3.3 into 10 raised to 5 kilograms. So mass we have, right, m is equal to 3.3 into 10 raised to 5 kg. Its total wings area, capital A, is equal to 500 meters square. It is in level flight with a speed, so v is equal to 960. We have to convert it into meter per second, so 5 by 18, so it will be 266.7 meter second inverse. Estimate the pressure difference between the lower and upper surface of the wings. See, pressure difference we are going to find, so we know that delta P into A, that is force, it is covered by the weight of that aircraft, right? So pressure difference delta P subject m into g we have upon A, mass 3.3 into 10 raised to 5 into g 9.8, and area it is given 500. So 3.3 into 9.8 upon 500, right? So that is 0.06468 into 10 raised to 5. So that will be into, right, answer will be 6468. So this is Pascal, this is pressure difference 6468, right? Now second, estimate the fractional increase in the speed of the air on the upper surface of the wing relative to the lower surface, right? See, fractional, so v2 minus v1 upon average v, that we need to find, right? Now according to Bernoulli's equation, that formula, p1 plus half rho v1 square plus rho g h1 is equal to p2 plus half rho v2 square plus rho g h2. Now wings don't have that much thickness, so this will be cancelled out. Now we are left with p1 minus p2 is equal to half rho common v2 square minus v1 square. Now p1 minus p2, that is delta p, that is change of pressure, is equal to 1 by 2 rho, and now here v2 minus v1 bracket v2 plus v1, right? Now this 2 and this 1, it is like average value, so delta p is equal to half rho v2 minus v1 into average v, but we have to find this ratio. So take v2 minus v1 subject, right? So see, delta p into average v into t into 2 upon rho is equal to v2 minus v1, right? So this is our equation. Average v will be downside of the equation, so here it is not in numerator, it is in denominator, so I have to write here v, right? Now again I am writing this formula, 2 delta p upon rho average v is equal to v2 minus v1, right? So that is 2 delta p upon rho average v is equal to v2 minus v1, right? 2 into 6468, density is 1.2, and average velocity, now here average velocity c 960 km per hour, right? So this is our formula. Pascal value is 6468, density that is 1.2, and average speed that is our 266.7, right? So that will be v2 minus v1. So v2 minus v1 6468 upon 1.2, right, upon 266.7, so that is 20.20, but that is our v2 minus v1. We have to find again average v, so divide by average v, that will be 266.7, right? So answer will be 0.0758. So this is our fractional increase in the speed of air on the upper surface of the wing relative to lower surface. So here our answer, we get 0.0757, approximately we can write 0.08. If asked in percentage, simply we have to multiply with 100, so 0.08 into 100, 8%. So fractional change we will get in the speed of air on the upper surface of the wing relative to lower surface, that will be 8%.